Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Lauren. In today's video, I have two new handbags to show you from the brand Parisa Wang. So I would say that Parisa Wang would be affordable luxury. It might fall more so under the contemporary range with regards to the price point, but these are definitely, I would say, like very luxurious handbags. They're very well made. I have two other Parisa Wang handbags. I will link the video somewhere here. It was the Allured tote and the Unlocked backpack. I ended up giving my mom the backpack because she loved it so much, but the Allured tote is beautiful. It's in this creamy, like off-white color. It's gorgeous. In addition to being affordable luxury, I would also classify Parisa Wang as being quiet luxury. I believe that's the term that's going around now, but back in January, if you've been following my channel, then you know when I was doing my wish list, both contemporary as well as luxury, I said I want minimal everything. And I pretty much stuck true to that. All the handbags that I got this year, very little branding, if any at all. And I think Parisa Wang also falls under that category of being quiet luxury as well as affordable luxury. So I'm really excited to show you the two handbags that I got. Parisa Wang did send me these handbags, and I'm so grateful and appreciative to work with such amazing brands and to have that opportunity, especially Asian-owned, women-led brands. But because I have worked with them in the past, I knew I would love the handbags and the quality, and there were no conditions when they sent me the handbags either times. They didn't say make a video, talk about it. They just asked if they could send me some handbags and hear my opinions about it. Let's open up the first box, which is the smaller of the two. And here is the dust bag. The dust bag's really cool because it is a tote bag, so you could actually use this if you wanted to. But this one I feel like is a fairly popular item. It is one of their best sellers. And like I mentioned, I have opened this up and I've taken a peek at it. So I am really excited to show you. This one is the Micro Madison. She's not that micro, I will say that. I feel like when I think of micro, I think of Jacquemus and being kind of tiny. But this, I would say, for me, is like a mini bag. It's not quite a micro, but this does also come in, I believe, the medium and a larger size if you prefer that. But look at it up close and the detailing. This one I believe is Australian calfskin. It does have some texture to it, some graining, as you can see. So I feel like it makes it really resistant to scratches. And then it has this gold hardware here. I'll show you this hardware and how to open and close it. And then the back just has, there's the only sort of minimal branding right there. There's a little bit, I don't even know if you'll be able to see it, a little bit where it says Parisa Wang on the front there. But even then, I mean, unless you're really up close, it'll be hard to see. And there's a top handle, but it also comes with, because you know me, and you know I love my crossbodies, it also comes with a removable, adjustable crossbody strap there. So I just added the straps on, and I will say that I love the attention to detail. So on the hardware here, it does say PW, and then for the excess strap, there is like a little clip there, and it does say PW. I do like they added this on because my new Saint Laurent that I just got does not have that, and the end of that part of the strap curls up. It's just a small detail that I feel like is overlooked with a lot of handbag brands. I did also close the clasp at the front. This is how it came. So you can see up close there that this just slides right out. You can sort of see, if I show you the top view, that this part just slides right back in. I'm trying to do it without looking. There we go. So it slides right back in. So this gives a different look to the handbag. It also reduces how much the handbag can hold because it makes it more narrow. Whereas if you open it up, kind of like this, and then you can open up the handbag more and kind of stretch it out a little bit. So now you have a bit more room. I also like the look of it with this undone like that. So to open the handbag, you don't even need to worry about these clasps, which was a little bit confusing at first. All you need to do is, you can hear it, and you can see right there, there's a little magnetic closure. This just opens like that. So you can just lift this up. You don't even actually need to lift this up to access the handbag. You can just, if I show you this way, slide your hand in, and then when you move your hand out, it just closes again, which is kind of cool. So for example, putting my phone in there, it's closed right now. I could just slide it in like that or put it sideways and then to grab it out. So I like that feature because I thought that I would have to mess around with these clasps at the front, but you don't actually have to. So that it's very easy getting in and out of the handbag. And then that's the part here you can kind of see that clips. Oops, there's some tape on here. Let's get that off. So all in all, I think this is a really wonderful micro handbag. Again, I feel like this is a mini handbag. If you wanted to see it more in depth, I can definitely do a review for you, but I do feel like this would definitely fit all my essentials. Again, up close, you can see the leather, and I should also mention that all the handbags are designed in New York, and they use the same manufacturers as a lot of high-end brands. So if you look on the description, it will say, for example, this one, which is, like I said, the Madison Micro Top Handle Bag. It says the same manufacturer as Chloe and Mulberry. So you know you're getting really high quality leather. If you follow Tanner Leatherstein, I think that's his name, or Leatherstein here on YouTube, he often takes handbags like luxury handbags, Louis Vuitton, he's done Chanel, he's done Coach. He was sent a Parisa Wang handbag and he ripped it apart and he assessed it, and he said the leather is very similar to a lot of high-end luxury handbags. So here is the Micro Madison on me, and for reference, I'm about 5'4" and 118 pounds right now. I have it on the shortest setting, so I do like a really high crossbody, as you can see. I love it. I feel like even with this outfit, jean short, Zara, shirt, Gap, like it works. It looks really good. If you didn't want to, you could always wear it in the crook of your arm like that. I think it looks so good this way as well. Or if you wanted to, you could just carry it as a little handheld. So either way, I love the options with this handbag. I think it is just a nice classic silhouette. Moving on to the second handbag, I feel like this one is a completely different vibe, but I am here for it. This one I like because you can wear it in multiple different ways. If you know me, I like a handbag, I can wear it in multiple different ways. So this one is called the Unlocked Bucket Bag. And it comes in many different styles. Again, the same dust bag. This one I was really excited for because I have my Ferragamo bucket bag, but it's huge and it's sometimes it can just be a little bit heavy and I can't wear that one crossbody, but this one, you'll see you have a woven strap, but it also comes with an adjustable crossbody strap. So they have so many different styles of this one here. I chose the one with the brown and the black leather. Again, you have that gold hardware with very minimal detailing, the Parisa Wang logo on the back, but they also have this one with white and then raffia. I was debating between the two because I thought the raffia would look really cool for the summer, but then I thought I could wear this one year round. They also have one with houndstooth, and it's like a fabric where this black part is. I think that one would be amazing for winter, but I was just thinking, what could I wear all season? And this one was it. I feel like the strap makes it a little bit more summery. It has the white and the beige and the brown, and it's just so comfortable to wear like this too. It's a really good size underneath the shoulder. Again, I will show you some modeling shots, but if you don't want to use the shoulder strap, as you can see, I've just put the crossbody strap on. And like I mentioned, I will show you some modeling shots, but I feel like this is also just as amazing. There is a zippered a zippered opening. And then let's take all this out. I have a couple of these little silica packs there. Is there a pocket? There is one pocket. This one is not zippered. It is just sort of a slip pocket on the back. And then the inside is also lined in that beautiful leather, the contrasting leather, so the brown leather there. There are no feet. I wish there were feet. I always love feet. But the leather on this one is calfskin and it is from the US. It is beautiful, as you can kind of see there. I also feel like it's a little bit more scratch resistant compared to my other calfskin handbags, so I'm not sure if they do some sort of finishing on it. This one, I will say, it doesn't really have a smell. The last one has a bit of a scent to it. I'm not sure how I could describe it, but it has sort of like fresh sneakers. You know, when you open up a box and the sneakers are brand new, like leather sneakers, it almost has that smell. So I feel like the leather is being finished with something, whereas this one doesn't. This one kind of just smells like leather. The leather from this one, again, is the same manufacturer as Chloe and Mulberry, so you know you're getting that high-end leather. But I really love this design. I feel like a bucket is just so classic and so timeless, and like I said before, I can dress it up, I can dress it down. So I'm really excited for this one, and I love the fact that it comes with a separate strap. Here is the unlocked bucket bag. Again, I have it on the shortest setting and I like where it hits, but you can definitely have it longer if you prefer. But look at the size of it. I just feel like it is so perfect. It's not too bulky and it doesn't jut out too much. I just feel like this is such a good option. Even with my outfit right now, I also feel like it looks really good. I can't decide which one I like more. I feel like I like both of them pretty equal. This one I feel is good for, like I mentioned, for the summer. It's a bit more, I don't know if it's more of a casual vibe, again, because of this strap there, but I love the option of being able to wear it on the shoulder. Again, hangs really nicely, doesn't jut out too much. I think it's a really good strap drop as well, and it's so comfortable to wear. So very impressed. Those are the 2 handbags I want to show you. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Again, thank you for all the love and the support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.